Recruiting is broken. The AI illusion is real, so let's fix it.
Did AI magically fix all our hiring headaches? We really hoped it would.
Spoiler alert. Nope. Slapping AI onto a broken process just created way faster chaos.
Today's hiring is a scattered mess. Think disjointed spreadsheets, random questions, and totally gut-feeling decisions.
Teams are literally juggling 5 separate tools. It's just immense noise without any actual structure.
Here's the core truth. Hiring isn't a content generation problem. It's absolutely a workflow problem.
Normal AI spits out random prompts. Rifair AI builds one connected, evidence-based workflow.
The big secret? You literally have to structure your hiring before you even try automating it.
It's a domino effect. One optimized job description automatically builds your interview kit and scorecard.
Rifair even has a built-in bias-aware review to catch and eliminate vague or unfair criteria.
And it completely adapts. Whether you're hiring a data analyst or a sales exec, it adjusts.
Goodbye generic templates. The whole process dynamically flexes to match the exact role and seniority. You can structure interview notes right against scorecards, comparing candidates side by side using real evidence.
This means making choices based on solid facts, not flawed memory or who sounded the most confident.
But don't worry, AI shouldn't make the final call. Humans absolutely remain in the driver's seat. AI is just here to help us ask sharper questions and collect vastly better evidence.
The future isn't just faster. It's structured, consistent, and completely explainable hiring.
Want to see it? Test this structured blueprint at rifairir.com right now. No login required.
So I leave you with this. Are you just generating content or actually building a process?